Hey Posh friends, Lindsay here. Thank you so much for joining me again on my channel. And if you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. Today is going to be another high profit report, and this one will cover both the months of September and October. So everything I'm about to showcase are items that have sold for a profit of at least $30 after Poshmark fees have been taken out and any bundle discounts have been given. So let's go ahead and get started.
Shut you down.